Hello everyone, testing out another recent hobby store find. Made a trip to my favorite little hobby store there that sells the previously enjoyed stuff and found an old, early Athearn Bluebox RDC-3 painted up for the Baltimore and Ohio. Now this is a 3, meaning it has the railway post office in it as well. There's some passenger compartments. Now this one is an old rubber band drive, so it's actually really smooth. Someone had already put the KD couplers on there. The one was broken. I had to replace it. I had to put some new rubber bands in it, change out the motor mounts, and actually change the motor to a newer motor with flywheels. The existing motor still worked, but it didn't have any flywheels, and as you can see, it seems to run a little better with the flywheels. Probably plan on keeping this one for a while and maybe detailing it up a little bit. Can't really put an interior in it because of the drive, but we'll see what I'll do. That's about it.